This latest tactical smartwatch is packed with cutting-edge features that take it to the next level. Whether you're an adventurer, a military professional, a pilot, a diver, or just someone who loves high-end smartwatches with rugged durability, the Garmin Tactix 8 is designed to impress. Let's dive deep into all the details, covering everything from its powerful hardware and software updates to its exceptional tactical capabilities. Garmin has just launched the Tactix 8, barely a day after unveiling the Descent G2. The company continues to innovate, and this time, it has built upon the Phoenix 8 platform, adding specialized features that cater to outdoor enthusiasts and tactical users. One of the biggest highlights of the Tactix 8 is the introduction of a smaller 47mm case option, alongside the standard 51mm variant. This gives users more flexibility in choosing a size that fits their wrists better. Whether you prefer a compact design or a larger display, Garmin has you covered. Speaking of the display, the Tactix 8 features a high-resolution AMOLED screen, which was first introduced in the Tactix 7. Now, it has become a standard across both size options. This ensures superior clarity, vibrant colors, and excellent visibility under direct sunlight. For those who prioritize battery efficiency, there's still a solar edition with a memory-in-pixel (MIP) display, which significantly extends battery life. If you're venturing into the wilderness for days, or even weeks, this option will ensure your smartwatch stays powered for as long as possible. One of the standout additions to the Tactix 8 is the built-in speaker and microphone, enabling hands-free voice commands and enhanced functionality. This means you can control your smartwatch effortlessly, issue commands, and even interact with certain apps without having to touch the screen. This is a game-changer for those who need to stay focused on their activities while still leveraging the smart capabilities of the watch. Another practical feature is the integrated LED flashlight, which now includes a green light mode. This is particularly useful for night vision equipment, making it ideal for military personnel and nighttime adventurers. Whether you're navigating in complete darkness or needing discrete illumination, this feature proves incredibly handy. In addition, the night vision mode adjusts the screen brightness to make it more compatible with night vision goggles, reducing strain on your eyes while maintaining stealth. For those who require complete discretion, Garmin has included a stealth mode in the Tactix 8. This mode disables all GPS and wireless connections, ensuring that your location and data remain untraceable. This is perfect for military operations, covert missions, or simply maintaining a high level of privacy when needed. Additionally, the Tactix 8 includes a kill switch that instantly wipes all data from the watch. This is a crucial security measure, ensuring that sensitive information can be erased immediately if necessary. Navigation on the Tactix 8 is another strong point. Users can set waypoints by simply selecting a distance and direction from their current location. The smartwatch comes preloaded with international topographic maps, providing detailed navigation assistance no matter where you are in the world. If you want even more comprehensive mapping, Garmin offers an Outdoor Maps Plus subscription, which allows users to download high-resolution satellite imagery and additional detailed maps. This is an invaluable feature for hikers, backpackers, and anyone exploring remote locations. For pilots, the Garmin Tactix 8 offers real-time weather updates, including wind speeds, visibility conditions, and air pressure changes. This feature enhances flight safety and helps pilots make informed decisions before takeoff. Meanwhile, divers will appreciate the watch's impressive water resistance. Rated up to 10 ATM with a 40-meter dive rating. Whether you're engaging in scuba diving, free diving, or other underwater activities, this smartwatch is built to withstand the challenges of deep-sea exploration. The Tactix 8 also introduces a new rucking activity mode, which factors in the weight of your backpack when tracking calories burned. This is particularly useful for military training, long-distance hikers, and fitness enthusiasts who engage in weighted exercises. Additionally, Garmin has included applied ballistics software, designed to assist long-range shooters with precise calculations. If you're involved in competitive shooting, hunting, or military operations, this feature ensures that you have the most accurate data for your shots. Beyond its tactical and adventure-focused features, the Garmin Tactix 8 is still a powerhouse in terms of health and fitness tracking. It comes with an ECG monitor, continuous heart rate tracking, SpO2, oxygen saturation, monitoring, VO2 max estimates, and advanced training status insights. These features provide a comprehensive overview of your health, helping you optimize your workouts and monitor potential health concerns. For those who love the convenience of smart features, Garmin Pay is available for contactless payments, allowing you to make transactions on the go without needing your wallet. You can also access various apps and watch faces through the Garmin Connect IQ store, further customizing your smartwatch experience to suit your lifestyle. The rugged design of the Garmin Tactix 8 is built to military-grade standards, meeting MIL/STD 810 specifications for durability. The leak-proof buttons and scratch-resistant sapphire display ensure that this watch can handle the harshest environments. Whether you're scaling mountains, navigating through dense forests, or enduring extreme weather conditions, the Tactix 8 is engineered to withstand it all. Battery life varies depending on the model you choose. The 47mm AMOLED version lasts up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, while the 51mm Solar Edition can last an incredible 48 days. However, if you're frequently using maps, dual-frequency GNSS, and voice commands, expect a slightly reduced battery life. Fortunately, the watch comes with an impressive 32 GB of internal storage, allowing you to store maps, applications, and other essential data without worry. Now let's talk about pricing. The Garmin Tactix 8 is available starting February 21st, with the 47mm AMOLED version priced at $1,299, the 51mm model at $1,399, and the Solar SB Elite with applied ballistics coming in at $1,599. While this smartwatch is undoubtedly a premium investment, the wealth of features and unmatched durability make it a worthy consideration for those who need top-tier performance. So, what do you think about the Garmin Tactix 8? Is this the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers, military personnel, and tactical users? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates. See you in the next video on technology in the future. Stay tuned for more exciting innovations.